Hello friends, today I am introducing you the complete touchscreen billing software, retail billing software for touchscreen system. So this software you can use in your POS device, POS machine or wherever it is. And this is SQL based project, VB.NET project, and it is offline, basically offline billing software. You can connect with multiple PCs. So it's very simple basically, and the login panel you will see like that, and click on 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. I just put a default key. Each salesperson you can give a separate password so that they can log into that particular password. And for each salesperson you can give that swiping card also, so that they can just swipe it and they can log in. And there is two options is there, you can see over here. Basically this is back office, admin control panels, and this is POS, and is the sales panel. It's very simple. You can see, just click on sale panel, you will see there is a message is came here, opening amount. For example, if you are giving any changes or something like that, for example $100 you give to him exactly for this particular salesman, click OK. So this particular salesman, he just logged in to his window, and see he's ready to do the sales. And you can see, I will just introduce you what is this panel basically. Whenever you are, this is basically main menus. Here you can see this, there is a main menu. I am clicking on that particular menu. For example, I click on this cosmetics. The cosmetic related items it will display over here. So it is very easy, and there is an option called image enabled feature. In this software that feature also available. You can enable your product images as well. Any product, if you are clicking on this button or just touch on that button, the product will add over here. It's very simple. And in the down you will see there is a pay button. Then click on that pay button. So for example the customer he give you $100, click on 100, just click on the cash. You can see over here the cash button over here. Click on the cash button with your finger or whatever. So the change amount you want to retain to your customer, this amount you want to return to the customer, click on yes. So the bill print will come over here. See, it's very easiest task basically. You can give the invoice to the customer. Example, for example, if you are not doing to your finger, you just want to do the scan and sale. It's very easy. Just select the product like that, scan it. When you are scan it, automatically the product will appear here. And just click on pay button as I show you before. Here click on the pay button. This window will come. For example, if we give the exact same amount, click on cash. Or there is another option is also wallet, debit card, credit card. Yes. See, the bill will come over here. So just to scan and do bill also is very easy. And if you want to make any modification in this receipt, any style change, if you need your own design or something like that, very easy with the RAINTECH POS people. So before continuing to the video, I will tell you how can you install this software. It's a very important question. The RAINTECH Software Limited, we are from RAINTECH Software Limited. My name is SHIBIN. You can call us or you can WhatsApp us to this number 0091 8078311945. I will write it over there, and you can call us or you can WhatsApp us so that we can connect you through any desk or team viewer or ultra viewer, so that we can share your desktop monitor and we can install your software, and as well we can connect all this hardware also for you, like for example hardware installation and the connectivity, everything we can do help for you. There is no need to worry. And for adding your inventory also we can help you. So both everything we can do solution for you. The RAINTECH Software Limited is located in Kerala, India, basically India. Okay, so now we understand however we can do the sales. So in the bottom side there is a lot of control systems you can find over here. We will see what are these control systems. For example, if you just select some products like that, if you don't want to continue with this transaction or the sales, so you just click on the sale new transaction button, click on new transaction, so everything will vanish. See, everything is vanished. So this is the button, and for example your mouse is not in this barcode scanner position, the cursor, okay. So you just click on the scan items or click on F3, so the mouse cursor automatically it will reach to your barcode scan. Then again directly you can scan the product and start do sales. I click on new, then it's vanish. For example, any particular product, it is not added in the the software or something like that, you can add from here itself. Add product, click on that. Just to fill the product details, amount and selling price, save it. So this particular product you can add to the software very simple way. Change quantity. For example, like that, for example, this when I select this product is 1 piece. Click on that and change quantity. For example, it is to 5. Enter. So automatically this become 5. See, quantity changing is very easy. And any product is there. Click on the select from your finger itself. Change quantity. For example, 6. Enter. It's very easy to do the change quantity in this billing software. The other one is change rate. For example, I click on new, I select any products from here, for example this one, or electronics, this one. Example, this is 26.25, it's showing over here, 26.25. So I want to change the price, change rate, click on change rate, and I make it over, for example 30. It was 26.25, I make it 30. Click on enter. So now the 30 is came over here plus tax, it is came, tax is adding on that. So 31.25. So you can change rate over here, and this admin having the control whether you want to, the salesperson he want to do the changes or no need to do the changes, and like that he can control that one also. So change rate also you can do from here itself, and you can do the billing here. And item discount and bill discount, both options are there. And bill discount I will show you how it is working. For example, if you are selecting some number of items from your software, and the particular person's total bill amount is, we will add some more items from here. The total is came here 81.37. So the customer, he is our regular customer or something like that, you can give discount for him. How we can do the discount? The bill discount. Here click on that bill discount, here. Click on the bill discount over here, this one, bill discount. For example, you can give the amount or percentage, both options are there. For example, you are giving $10 discount directly. Click on enter button. So directly the 81 came to 71. You can see over here, and click on pay button, and if he is giving some of $100, and you can click on cash, he is given cash, and 28.63 amount dollar you can change him, return him back as a change. Click on yes. So the bill will print over here. So in the bill itself, in the bottom portion you will find that you given the discount of $10 over here. See, the cash is given 100 and you give the change over here, and the beautiful invoice it will come over here. See how wonderful it is. So in this software you can control everything like that. And another option is very important, find item. For example, some find item, these options. Any customer, they are asking some particular product, it's available with you. Maybe this customer, they will give you not exactly name. For example, I will give you one name, Parle G biscuit. If you search biscuit or if you search Parle, it should appear over there. That's the main concern for this find items. Click on the find item. For example, SA. I just click on enter. So SA related all the products, it will come over here. See? Yes. See, it will, wherever it is starting, all, started item. From there, you can just select it with your finger or with your mouse. You can select it and you can find this particular item. Very easiest way you can find out. And it is a super search option. Material, products, super search option is there in this software. And the next feature is beautiful. Beautiful means the hold and hold options. Hold. For example, one customer, he is coming with some number of products. We are just doing the scanning. I will show you how to do that. Just to scan it and select some more items. And suddenly this particular customer, he is saying, oh my God, I forget something more. So he will return back to the store and his products will keep over here, whatever it is. And another customer, he is in queue. So we cannot say this next person, wait, let him come back. No, this is not a correct way in the supermarket or grocery or retail business. So what we'll do, the previous customer, we will put him under hold. There is an option called hold transaction. Hold, click on hold. Successfully hold. So that everything is there, no problem, keep it over there. So the new customer, he taken some new purchase. Just click on yes and click on cash and click on yes. So bill came over here and this second customer, he will go, go outside like that. So the previous customer, he came back and he brings some more materials and his materials are already here. So what we will do, just go to the load transaction option you will see over here. Load transaction, you will see this hold number of customers you can hold like that. Here only one right now. Click on that. Here click with your finger. So the previous scanned items or selected items you will find over here. He will add some more items. Just select it. And you will see there is some number of items he added. 27.67. Agent click on pay button. Click on the pay button and for example, $100 he given to us. Click on 100 and cash. Click on yes. The change we need to give 72.35. 72.32 we need to give the changes. So this is the invoice we can give it to that particular customer. So these all features are there in this billing software. And there is option called bill reprint. For example, the last print which you made, it is not came properly or the paper was finished or you need to reload the paper like that. The customer, he need a bill again. So you click on bill reprint, 3-inch printer. Click on that. The last bill you can directly reprint from this software. It's very important feature. Basically, this feature is very simple, but it's very important. Sometimes it's happening. Maybe the printing is not came properly like that. And there is a lot of options is called credit customer, yani credit customer and salesman and quotation and sales return. Everything you can manage over this software, and you will get the sales list as well. Yani if you want to cash drawer connectivity, everything is there, cash drawers. And if you want to open the cash drawer, just click on that. And finally, close the shift. For example, this particular salesperson who is doing the sales, clicking on and he's finished his sales, his duty time is finished. So click on close shift. Very interesting feature, and he will check how much money he have, everything is count out and type here 225 rupees he have. Yeah, $225 he have. Example, I'm giving the example. Click on OK. But he can give the exact amount how much he have. Click on and he will not understand how much he want to pay. This is the thing. And his password he will type over here to log out, and click on yes button to get the receipt. See, the receipt report came here. You will see what is there in the receipt. You will surprise that his total sale is $162, and there was a cash advance was with him $100 when we give the cash advance. And there is 162 plus 2 total amount is coming, closing cash is 225 only he yani paid, but he paid he must paid 262 rupees because it is 262 is the total, but he paid only 225. The $37 he paid less. So the admin person, he will clearly understand, oh, I give $37 any less. So this one we can recalculate or reprint like that. So we can correct accounting system can manage in this software. So let's see the admin control panel. Now you see all the sales system, how you can do the sales, but it's very easy and simple. Any normal person can handle this software. That's the main thing. So I will introduce the admin panel also, admin control panel. Admin also you can log in that pin. You can change the pin as well. And the back office, I click on the back office. This is a beautiful back office is there. And in the back office, I will quickly explain the things. Here you can company information. You can put all your information about your company, and settings. You can connect all your printers, everything from the settings, and the database for taking the backup and the restore, and the registration for for your new salesperson 1, 2, 3, whoever it is, you can do the registrations, and wallet, loyalty card, banking options, everything is there. And the categories you can add over here, the main categories. The main categories I have shown you. You can add the categories. Product master, you can add the product one by one over here. Or with Excel sheet, we can import the product, show all the products. See all the products you can see over here. From the Excel sheet you can do bulk upload as well, so it's very easy to handle. And all the closing shift reports, everything you will find for each salesperson, whoever is closing any shift you can manage. There is no issues in this software. POS records you will find out over there. POS reports you will find out over here, and accounting reports you will find out over there. And this system you can connect with multiple PC. For example, you have 10 counter or 5 counter, whatever it is, everything you can connect with this PC. And the POS machines you can purchase, and you can keep the POS machines, so that this software we can install, and we can do the sharing for all the other PCs. One PC we will keep it as a master PC. There we will install the main server software, and main software. From there we can connect it to all other devices. So each salesman, whenever he is logging in, logging out, clear report you will get. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.